Hey, Barry Wilson at Wilson Auto Repair. We have gone out of our way and had a lot of fun on this Bronco day as we have modified it to look like what I think is $1 million. So what we did here was first lay down a quarter-inch piece of plywood and glued it to the dash, and then we put a walnut veneer on top of that, and then we actually ended up giving it a stain and then came back with a clear coat. And as you can see, we've got a expensive speedometer here. And right here, we've done lights, wipers. This has a remote start button on it. We will have electronic outside rear view mirrors. And this is an electronic park brake. And the light tells you when you start the vehicle if the brake's on, so that you know you're supposed to push this button to release it. Then right here, we have Apple Play radio. Of course, you get the road map and all that stuff with it. And here's our air conditioning unit, or the controls for the air conditioning. And then the best part of this, for all of us, we really get a big kick out of this, is these AC vents light up when you start the car. So right in here, you're going to see some lighting as you're driving along down the road. So enjoy that. That's a lot of work to get that done. We keep a template here because everybody wants their dash to look like that. And it's a lot of fun making it for our customers. I'm Barry Wilson with Wilson Auto Repair. Go to my YouTube site and subscribe, please.